Epson Home Cinema 3800 exposed, HDR Brilliance, and 3000 lumens that outshine DLP rivals. Ever felt like your projector dims out in everyday rooms, turning epic movie nights into frustrating squints amid ambient light chaos? That blocked vibe when rainbow artifacts flicker or setup hassles kill the immersion. It's a home theater dream deferred, especially for gamers chasing low-lag thrills. Imagine a sports fan fumbling cables during game day, only to face washed-out plays. If this setup snag sounds familiar, drop your wildest projection pet peeve in the comments. Let's beam up some Epson Home Cinema 3800 vibes to fix it. Deadlines for binge sessions clash with family chaos. Stress spiking from projectors that can't handle real-life lighting or demand perfect dark caves, leading to burnout on half-baked viewing marathons. Picture vloggers tweaking endless settings just for decent color, questioning if 4K HDR is a myth. But envision effortless control with pixel-shifting brilliance and flexible lens shift. SNS the clutter. One movie buff shared how their old rig fizzled during daylight streams, yet a brighter promise hums with potential. If ambient light woes drag you down, Epson Home Cinema 3800 might just ignite your screen game. Behold the Epson Home Cinema 3800, your 4K Pro UHD 3-chip projector powerhouse, wielding 3000 lumens of color and white brightness to flood rooms with vivid RGB glory. No rainbow effect in sight, stirring that hypnotic rush of colors leaping off the wall like a living canvas. Feel the intuitive twist of its precision lens for edge-to-edge sharpness, while 100,000 to 1 contrast dives into shadowy depths, blending sensory POP with the tactile ease of motorized zoom and lens shift that forgives off-kilter installs. Full 10-bit HDR10 and HLG mastery processes every tone smoothly, evoking emotional highs in blockbuster explosions or subtle sunsets, all via 18 gigabits per second HDMI 2.0 for lag-free 60 Hz gaming bliss. Here's one way it saved a busy parent's day. During a chaotic backyard movie fest, its active 3D support and built-in 20-watt stereo speakers kept kids glued to immersive adventures without extra gear, turning potential tantrums into wide-eyed wonder as 12-bit video nixed banding for flawless gradients. For gamers, approximately 20 milliseconds input lag delivers responsive thrills on massive screens, almost cheekily outshining console TVs. Lightly controversial? It exposes lesser projectors' light leaks as amateur hour. Stick around for a bonus tip on calibrating HDR for punchier blacks. Comment bright if you want that glow-up secret. Efficiency blooms with Epson Home Cinema 3800's hybrid heroics, honing focus for seamless movie marathons and gaming sessions where 3 LCD tech ensures vibrant saturation without fatigue-inducing flickers. Sense the cool remote in hand, summoning transport controls for instant playback, while versatile throw distances adapt to any nook, heightening that intuitive flow of big-screen escapism. Experts at Projector Central hail its gorgeous 1080p SDR and 4K UHD images with conveniences like larger lens shift, while influencers gush, a home theater YouTuber equipped, bright enough for lit rooms, colors POP like a giant TV without the rainbow hassle. Analysts spotlight its value, noting how motorized adjustments pressure rivals, as one user raved, transformed our windowed media room. Crisp HDR daytime viewing. See why thousands rave about this brightness beast? A Reddit enthusiast confessed, far better than expected, no more eye strain from DLP shadows, just immersive football feels. Why endure dim setups when flexible placement and smooth motion handling squash objections like bulk? The subtle hum of its fan, the glow of calibrated Rec. 709 hues, pure sensory seduction. Which perk, 3000 lumen ambient punch or low-lag gaming, would rescue your setup? Comment below to spark the buzz. Limited stock alert on Epson Home Cinema 3800. Join legions who've upgraded to its 4K Pro UHD radiance, as RTINGS crowns it, very bright with excellent uniformity for real room wins. If washed-out projections or rigid installs plague you, Snag yours now for that free calibration guide bonus and unlock effortless Bluetooth audio pairing. Don't delay. Click to claim exclusive lens shift hacks that simplify everything. Comment HDR for the shadow detail tweak. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your home cinema today.